Hi guys, welcome to our channel and just follow us on our Instagram account. We are just going to discuss about Amazon S3. So Amazon is one of the most famous public cloud and more than 60-70% companies are using Amazon cloud, right? So S3 is one of the service, right? Definitely we know that serverless concept for that entire Amazon cloud services. S3 is a storage service, correct? So storage service where you can store different type of documents, files, and many more things, right? So Amazon S3, right, and it provides a different facilities also, right? You can encrypt that files and put it into an S3, right? You can connect to an S3 just through a file upload, just like from the browser also. You can connect to an S3 through API also. You can connect to an S3 from the command prompt also, right? So multiple ways you can connect to an S3 and you can deal with the S3 here, correct? So any particular application you are developing, if you wanted to store some of the logs for long term, for short term, or maybe for some certain time frame like this, so one of that storage service you can use as a S3. Thank you very much. So if you like it, you can subscribe our channel and follow us.